I want to praise. Hello friends, I am Subhash Bhatram Sharma from Guru Govind Singh from third year electrical. Uh, I want to present a small PPT of my topic maintenance of small wind turbine. So start. Subtopic introduction assemble of small wind turbine maintenance routine power of electronics and converter. Introduction. The difference between the large and small turbine is mainly only the size and output of electricity. Blades and tower are the significant parts of small wind turbine. Optimum design will allow the small wind turbine withstand in external condition by following safety standard. Now we see small wind turbine assemble seat collection. The site of the selected should have a lot of features that need to be fulfilled for it eligible for other wind energy. The wind site of the land, distance between the mill and the end users, the cost of land and discussion to connect the system of the grid or not. Now we see electrical installation. The installation of the wind power plant is expected to have a lifetime of at least 20 years or longer. The electricity break and light protection are necessary at the desired site. The electrical components such as battery charge with diversion load control mode is, is also recommended. Now we see small wind turbine maintenance routine. The turbine have moving part in the result cause wear and tear in the turbine. The maintenance of the mill periodically where the oil is changed and the wired surface is replaced. Next point, the bolts or screw are tightly tightened. Next point, the corridor place need to be repaired. The wings of the turbine must be checked for cracks and the ends of the wire must be inspected. Now we see next the point. Now we see power of electronics energy conversion. First point is power electronic engine conversion system costly constant of convert rectifier AC DC energy storage in inverter DC to AC and correct the system. Next point, small size wind turbine generate are two types of permanent magnet synchronous generator, double feed induction generator. Third point is type of power electronics converter to be used depend upon required up to output power and cost of the system. Fourth point is rectifier inverter system. Function, it is the AC to DC, DC to AC technology in which variable voltage, variable frequency output of the generator. It is required to DC, then the convert to AC supply inverter at required voltage level and feed load or grid. Next point is AC DC to DC converter. Function of DC to DC converter: unregulated DC voltage of the level, regulate DC voltage at desired level. The switch regulator, example boost converter and buck converter. Next point is types of semiconductor used in converter. First is GTO, gate turn off thyristor. Second is IGBT, insulated gate bipolar transistor. Third point MO MOSFET, metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. Fourth is BJT, bipolar junction transistor. Fifth is IGBT, insulated gate commutator insulator. My PPT is over. Thanks for watching.